That's right, this is a story of a family coming together to help mom create a unique tortilla that honors their traditions. I think I'm feeling hungry already.
Welcome to Tortillas Con Madre operation. We make local organic tortillas. We decided to start here in the garage. We turned it into a factory. The owner, obviously my mother, started out with the idea and we just helped her along the journey. Oh, the beginning that was the hardest part, but it's also the happiest.
The care is there. We started small, but we start with the highest standards. Families first, to be there in something that was important for their mother, it's a great feeling. You realize that we're all together.
Working together make this business special. We made the tortillas with a lot of love.
This tortilla is made with organic pumpkin oil, and so it just gives it a very, very unique taste, and it uses all local ingredients. Oh, I eat tortillas every day. Might as well, right? Take advantage of it.
Con Madre means with mom. I'm doing this because I want to honor my mom. She passed away a few months later that I create this recipe. She tried the tortilla and she was amazed. I want to share this with everybody.
It's great. It's something good, something solid, something amazing.
If you have your passion, I think you can do anything that you want.